So as the chess number 7 is mentioned about agriculture, so let's consider, as we are considering the fallow land, so we can also consider conventional farming techniques like mulch.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived two female character, age up to 25, mood positive, and action of my story is constructing a bridge.
Jain friends, I perceive two characters, one male, one female, male age 35, female age 18, mood positive, action of the story, daughter making her father proud, Rekha Kumari, who is pursuing a 10th standard in Army Public School. As her father is, she always feel proud that her father is working as a JCO in Indian Army, posted in Jammu Kashmir district. Whenever her father coming to her hometown, which is located in Nilgiris district, Ramapuram, and he used to tell about all his camp experiences and all his challenges, how the officer's life is living there, and how his officer getting the respect, etc. Based on the received inputs from her father, she also want to pursue her career in Indian Armed Forces. After completing her graduation, she enrolled in herself in a commerce college and in NCC. She used to be the NCC best college cadet, and also.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceive two male character age around 20 to 21 years in a positive mood. Main character of my story is Manoj and action of my story is extinguishing forest fire. Sumit is a BCA graduate and after he is coming home with his friends after completing his paper. In the way he saw a fire in the forest, he rushed towards the village and take some peoples with to the forest and make a team to extinguish the fire. And also call the forest department and cover his face and try to take the branch and throw it in the fire and make a path to clear the forest from the fire. And after he completely extinguished the fire, he take the peoples from the village and told the importance about the fires and also call the forest official to the village and told him about the importance of the forest. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived two female character, age up to 25, mood positive, and action of my story is constructing a bridge. So the story goes, Rakhi, 23-year-old, was a civil engineer who was working in a governmental project to construct a dam over a seasonal river called Gola River. So as the winter was approaching and the river has already dried up, she went and surveyed the area and chose a location to construct the dam and made a draft, architectural draft on a piece of paper, discussed the loopholes in the draft with her colleagues, and after getting the fund from government, she started the construction and also periodically inspect and supervised the labourers while construction was happening. Before the monsoon, the construction was over and she was happy to have contributed in the communication and transport. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived multiple male and female characters of age 25, mood is positive, and action of my story is revamping the conventional agricultural techniques. Mohit was Mansi was a 25-year-old PhD scholar from the Pantnagar University. As a part of a final year project, she was given the task of surveying the fallow area in the region and locate the areas and then transfer the information to the government institutions. So she, along with the volunteers, surveyed the various fallow areas and calculated the total area and provided the information to the government, and then also advocated the use of the revamped conventional farming techniques so that the agricultural land could be again turned into a productive land, and after that also provided them financial and digital literacy so that they can get reap benefits of the subsidies and the various farming technological innovations that were in the farming fields.
Jai Hind everyone. From this picture I perceived one male and one female character of age around 24 to 27. Both are in positive mood. The action of my story is spreading awareness about the yoga and the running. Sneha, a 24-year yoga trainer, as she come to her village, she so that only few people come for the running in the daily. So she talks with the neighboring people and the local authority there about the yoga classes. So what she do? She first clean the open area with the help of the other people there, and made arrangement for the yoga classes. She taught them about the yoga like the pranayama, restoring yoga and other kinds of yoga also, and advised them about taking proper diets and adding more and more calories in their diet. And also she provided with the help of the local authority fund the separate running track in the open area, like that the people can do running there, and also advise them to running daily, and also advise them to take the online classes about the yoga and learn about the things. By the time more people indulge in the yoga activities and the running part, and also the health of the people improvement. Thank you.
Jain friends, I have perceived two male characters from the picture, both of 25 to 30 years, and mood was neutral, and action of my story was transportation is the key to development. Rohan, a 28 years old man living in Ramgarh village of Rajasthan, was coming back from the city to his village. On his way back, he found a man who was collapsed due to the heat of Rajasthan. He took him to his house and treated him, after which he got to know that the man was foreigner and was used to the heat of the Rajasthan. So he came up with an idea to start a transportation service from city to his village. Then he consulted two of his friends and convinced them to start a transportation service by providing them the requirement and telling them how much revenue they would generate out of it. Then they all agreed to it and collected the money from each of them, and he bought a old minivan and started the service every 2 hours from city to his village. And later they have after 6 months they have collected enough money to repay the loan to the bank, and they have helped in the development of the village and produced number of employments. Thank you.
Jai Hind everybody, I can perceive two characters here, both are male. Mood is neutral and action of my story is completing a reckoning mission at the Ladakh border. Protagonist of my story is Captain Ajay, who is aged 25 and posted at Ladakh, was assigned with the duty of completing a reckoning mission at the China border and was subordinated by Havaldar Shubham. As he was leading the team with his subordinate, on the way they reached the location, but they had to climb a higher location for the reckoning purpose. But on the way of climbing the mountain, their partner Havaldar got injured with a fracture and soon was provided by a first aid by the captain, but still was not able to properly walk. So he picked him up and put him on his back and reached the highest point of that mountain. They did a reckoning process, soon completed and reached to the base hospital, admitted the Havaldar and provided the details to the commanding officer and completed the operation. Thank you.
Everyone, from the picture given, I have perceived two male characters aging around 28 to 40. Action of my story is building a school in nearby barren land and mood is positive. Shankar, a village sarpanch of Duhai village, has noticed that many of the parents are not getting their child admitted into the school due to distance problem. He, in the next panchayat, announced that he will get a school built into the barren land of nearby village. So he actually monitored the area, and then with the help of two punches, he visited many of the civil servant offices as well as the minister office and convinced them. He completed the paperwork, analyzed the place with the architect. He assisted the architect as well as the construction worker with the help of villagers. They completed the construction very fast, and Shankar assisted with the logistic part as well as the stationery and uniform to the students. Thank you.
So friends, after perceiving the picture, I could suggest that it's a barren land, and the river sometimes dry and sometimes dry. So we could construct a water reserving plant.
Sir, I would draw your attention here that in the south region, if you see that there are igneous rocks and the irrigation system is really bad there. So we can do one thing, that drip irrigation can be included there.
Yes, sir, we can go with the thing like the dam developing project, like we can make our, if you all agree, we can go with the thing like the dam developing project in the barren land.
So we can work both these concepts. Yeah, merging water conserving plant and
dam, not dam, but
water conserving
bridge over that.
Because it should be like us. Concepts like we can make a water harvesting system like you were saying, and we can make the drip irrigation as well for the village. Totally agree. So we just have to
part, we are making a block development officer who can survey the suitable land for the building a dam and whatever is there.
Yes, we talk with the authority of the electrical engineer rather than a block
That makes sense according to me.
That engineer system is coming there to survey the suitable land to build the dam.
Measurements as well as take out the report and
also
submit
talk
it to
with
the
the
office.
local authority for the fund for the dam and the water reserve project for the fund, like it would need the things for the infrastructure like the cement.
I agree with your section number 6, but the engineer can make the DPR of the whole project, then it can send the report to the higher authority, just like the minister and their chief engineer over there. So after that, after getting all the permission, he started constructing the pond there and provide the water.
Taking all the paperwork, the office
And
will
also we
apply.
have to also secure the regular supply of water to the
Regular supply
reserves.
of the water.
So we have to also channelize the water into the
Yes.
dam,
Yes,
and we are going to
And the work gets started
Exactly.
after
But we can use like
and the work gets started after completing the work gets started after completing all the paperwork and the water harvesting.
Yes,
system is
so
ready.
that's the
also requirement for the
We can take your before point that was water harvesting as well as drip irrigation.
What we can do, we can also make the nearby village area come under the irrigation channel of the dam.
As sir was perceiving it as agriculture issues, then we can also
Then later on,
drip irrigation.
yes sir, we can use that water for the irrigation purpose. Once the water is there, we can use that electricity. Ma'am, we can produce electricity. We can produce electricity. For agriculture. So now we can conclude our story. The protagonist is a block officer or an IS officer.
So it
If I was an engineer, okay, so he's an engineer. He went there and started a project. First he analyzed the situation with his team. Then they started making up the project and how it is going to be done. Engineer, yes sir. Engineer all the time